Well, good morning, friends. Today we're going to continue our little project on Nancy's outdoor kitchenette. And today we're going to build her a little counter storage cabinet that she wanted so she can keep her pressure cookers for her canning operation. She wants to store them out here in this little cabinet. So we're going to hook her up with that today. We'll be right back after the break. Well, welcome back, friends. Here's a little sketch of what we're going to build today. Here's a top view of the unit, and here's a front view of the unit, looking at it from this direction here. This is a pretty simple table. It's only about 45 inches long, about 30 inches wide, and about 36 inches high. And it's about 30 inches on the inside. That'll suit the size of her pressure cookers. She's got two of them. She wants to sit in here and store them in here. So that 30-inch inside there will be just about right. I'm going to put some cabinet doors on the front just to be able to close them off. She wants to cover this thing with T111 siding, around, because it's she wants it to be kind of dressed up a little bit. And I'll cover off and finish off all the joints, with some 1x4 boards to kind of just dress it up just a little bit more than I normally do for my gardening tables. And on the top, we're going to cover it with 5/4 by 6 deck boards to give it, kind of a nice appearance. And it's all, of course, pressure treated lumber. So anyway, we got a little bit of a project to do to here. It's not that hard of a job. It should be fairly small, fairly easy to do and quick. I can probably get this done today. And we'll get her set up over there. This is the last piece that she needs for her little kitchenette. So let's jump on this and get it done. If you want to build something similar to this for any reason on your own little patio, we'll put a JPEG of this little sketch on our homestead, Facebook homestead page, as well as our community tab on our YouTube channel. So you can download that image and, build something similar to this for yourself. So let's get started and get this job done because Nancy's waiting on it. Let's get it going. Well, I finally got Nancy's storage cabinet and counter complete. It's out here in the area now, so it's up to her to put the things in there she wants to put in. I think she's wanting to put her pressure cooker pots inside of this thing and store them. So whatever storage she's looking for, she's got now, and she's got a nice countertop here to help her when she's doing her cooking or her canning or whatever she's going to do out here. So I'm looking forward to whatever she does, because it usually works out good for me in the end, and hopefully it'll work out good for y'all too, because she'll share some cooking videos with y'all straight out of our garden. So anyway, we're looking forward to that, and take a look at the unit. Came out pretty good. I got some cabinet doors on the front that she can open up and you know, get access to the area, storage area below. I kind of dressed it up a little bit with a little bit of you know, 1x4s on the side, and I put some siding on it, you know, since it's outside, and you know, folks will see this when they come up to our house. She wanted it to be just a little bit better than the garden, and it is just a little bit better, but not much. But it's good for us. I think she's going to have a good time with it. So until me and Nancy see you next time, always remember, by his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.